Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you trying to connect your Epson XP 830 to Wi-Fi? Well, it can be easily done with the WPS method. But if you want one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the numbers displayed. If you want to follow my instructions, let's go through easy steps. On the home screen of your printer, scroll left and open the network. On the Select a Connection Method screen, select the Wi-Fi method. On the Connect via Wi-Fi page, tap on Start Setup. Select the Push Button Setup method to connect with Wi-Fi. If you're finding the steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. For more printer solutions, tell us the issue you're facing in the comments below. Now, you'll be prompted to press the WPS button. Tap to proceed. Quickly go to the printer, then press and hold the WPS button until the power button starts to flash. Once that's done, go to your printer display and wait until it says a Wi-Fi connection has been established.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.